Hey YouTube, today we're going to be doing a review and unboxing of the LG 12,000 BTU, which is good for a 20 by 20 room or 400 square feet. We got this for our office. We could go ahead and cool our office off because our office is located in the garage and we want to make sure our garage is probably about 300 square feet. So we're thinking that this should make it nice and chilly. Let's see what it says on the box. It says large, easy to use LED control panel. It also has a dehumidifier mode, which helps remove excess air moisture. It also has an oscillating air vent that cools the room evenly. Remote control with large LCD display, and it restarts automatically after power failures, which is pretty awesome. This is one of those ones that is a removable AC that vents out the window, so you can move it and put it in whatever direction you want, which is pretty awesome. It does come with a 1-year parts and labor warranty. We did get the 3-year free replacement warranty from Home Depot, and it also comes with the R410A refrigerant. Also works with a regular 115 volt 15 amp plug, which is pretty awesome. Okay, so you pull it out of the box here. It's got a lot of instructional manuals in the front. Let's go ahead and pull off our plastic. Okay, and there's a bunch of tape that you need to go ahead and pull off so that you can get your stuff going. What's pretty cool is if you look here in the back, it actually has a receptacle for your remote control, which is pretty cool, so that you can just go ahead and place it in there when you're not using it. So hopefully you never lose your remote control. All right, here we have the setup to go ahead and attach to your window. We're actually going to put it on an outside vent for the garage. It also comes with the casing for your window so that you don't have any air leaks. All right, it comes with your manual here. Comes with the batteries for your remote control, which is pretty cool. And we should also have in here the vent that goes on the back so that it vents out. It also has a connector to be able to connect your plug so that you can wrap it up when not in use. And it also has the downspout vent, which is pretty awesome. So this is where you actually connect. I believe it's a 1/2-inch hose. And you connect your hose here and you can drain it out wherever need be. Now you can drain it like this, and you can have it like drain out into the yard or whatever like that. This means that it will never fill up and it goes continuously. The great thing about this, in dehumidifier mode, it actually pulls out 67.2 pints of water per day, which is gallons of water, which means a lot of people could use something like this to make their atmospheric water generator. If you've ever seen a video like that, we can actually put a link below so that you can see what that is. Now the back panel does come off. You just pull it off like so, and it has the removable air filter, which you can just pop out. You can go ahead and pull it from this little area right here. You can rinse out your filter to make sure that it's clean and you get the best amount of AC coming through, and you can also service all of the insides through this as well. So pretty. And hidden in top of the box, make sure you don't throw this away, is your attachment stuff so that you can go ahead and attach your air vent out. Right here, you definitely want to make sure you don't throw this away. So this is the out vent here. This is where it connects to your AC. All right, and the tube fully extended. It's probably about 5.5 feet tall, which is pretty awesome. So that means you can put it in a lot of different places, and this is where it connects to the bottom of the AC right there. Let me go ahead and do that. All right, you stick it in the back and turn it to the left to lock it. And then we plug it in and connect it to our outlet. Okay, you connect it to where it needs to go. You make sure you plug it in. They say don't plug it into an extension cord, and the reason that is because it does have a surge protector on it. And what you do is just go ahead and come over here, turn on the power. We'll open up the vents. And it's got different modes, which is cool, fan, dry, and energy saver. And right now it's set on 72 degrees. We're going to go ahead and set it to 70 degrees. And it has a swing function on high, medium, and low. And it's on low for speed right now. Let's go ahead and put it on high. So it's got a real big glow. And when it comes with it, it also has an instructional chart. It tells you how to use it, what the things mean. It comes in Spanish and of course in English. I speak English, so that really helps. And it shows you what you should and should not do. This is the best. And that's what we got going on. Alright, here's the remote. I'm going to go ahead and slide off the back, throw in your batteries, like so. Put on the back. And then what we want to do is go ahead and get our party started. Press the power button right here. Okay. So it shows you that it originally set to cool. We're going to go ahead and set it. So right here you see 69, 69, 68, 69, 70, 71. So that's pretty cool. And it's got the fan on the different speeds for the fan. It's got the timer, the different modes, which is cool, fan, dry, energy saver, and it shows you right there, energy saver. Okay, so we're going to put it back on cool, which is AC. You can also set a timer, and then it's got Celsius and Fahrenheit, auto clean, which is pretty awesome, and auto swing, which actually moves the blades here. So you see here, it's going to go ahead and move the blades up and down so that it goes ahead and it cools the room that you're in a little bit more evenly. And that's all automatic. As you can see here, I've gotten pretty hot in our office because we didn't have the AC going. So now that we got the AC going, it's going to cool down. And you know, hopefully this walkthrough and unboxing was helpful. If it was, please give us a big thumbs up. Please favorite, please like, please tweet, please pin. And if you get a chance, please share it with other people who are looking for ACs. We'll talk to you later.